I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Compatible iPhone and Apple Watch, both updated, same Apple ID, and a carrier that supports Esim for watch. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Cellular. Make sure you have your carrier account details ready. Tap Add Cellular Plan and follow prompts. This initiates the carrier handshake. You do this now because the phone drives the watch's activation. Starting here prevents wasted steps and leaps straight into the network enrollment. You continue by completing the carrier-specific flow shown on your iPhone. Sign into your carrier account, accept terms, or scan a QR code the carrier gives you. Once the carrier confirms, make sure you label the plan and set voice/data preferences so your watch uses the right line. This matters when you have multiple plans. If prompted, choose primary or secondary numbers. Make sure to keep both devices nearby. Some activations take several minutes while the carrier provisions the Esim. You finish by verifying the connection on your Apple Watch. Swipe up to Control Center to see cellular signal dots and place a quick call or send a message to confirm. If activation fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle airplane mode on both devices, restart the iPhone and watch, then retry the cellular setup. This clears network caches and often resolves provisioning hangs. If problems persist, contact your carrier and ask them to provision an Esim for Apple Watch specifically, because some account settings require manual carrier-side changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.